Let's to learn about the div tag. This is one of the most important tag and most frequent tag that we are going to use. In simplest way, the div tag is we're going to divide our screen in a single row section. So it will going to divide our screen in this manner right here, and we can add any kind of another tags or another code images in it. So let's go to W3 School and learn a little bit about it. So we will go to W3 School and div tag, and they have defined div tag as a division or a section in an HTML document. Div element is used as a container for other HTML elements. So basically we can add other elements in it as well to style them with CSS, okay, or perform other tasks with JavaScript. So when you will going to know about this, you are going to learn about it in future when we will build a complete website. But for now, just use a div tag starting and closing, and I am going to add two pieces of elements in this one. First is image, sc is equal to and for now I'm not going to put any kind of a code because I want to know the image, and then a href and close the a tag. So I need to add a my content here, then the link of the image here. Okay, whenever we want to use a dummy link or dummy me link anywhere, we use this hash symbol. So let's find the image. So I have added an image in my document called div-image. So I'm just going to give it a name here, div-img.jpg. So for the href, I'm just going to use https://google.com. So let's give it a name, google.com. So simple as that. So let's save it and go to our web page so we can refresh it. As you can see, the image has been added with a google.com as well. So then this is the simplest div tag I have used. So we will going to learn it when we are going to complete a complete website. So see you in next video.
If you like my video, like and subscribe, and if you have any question, ask me in the comment section below, and I will try to reply you as soon as I can. Thank you very much.